Yo, what is good? Welcome back to the channel. So, I apologize first off. Apparently, there's been like a high-pitched noise in the background of some of my videos recently. And I mean, it's not too noticeable, but it's there. And I especially can hear it when I'm kind of just uploading it and I'm just going through it all over again. So I found out I did the whole diagnosis. This is really quick, and it turns out it was just my case that was causing the noise. So hopefully there's no what do you call it, noise when I'm done with this. If not, I'll figure out another thing. But anyway, back to the topic. So this is one I've been contemplating. I've been contemplating doing this one because this is actually some premium knowledge, right? This is baller knowledge. This is something I would actually tell you inside of the website for my consultation. So, but I figured, hey, honestly, by the time you hear this knowledge, you're like, damn, why didn't I just get this info beforehand? Because in all honesty, the answer I'm about to tell you for this is something you should know, especially if you're currently in a relationship. Like, you don't want to have to wait to schedule consultation, or you want to wait for a video to be uploaded the next day or whatever. Sometimes you just want the answer now. And I've been told, there have been a couple people, they told me that they've been on my channel just getting knowledge, getting games. So shout out to y'all. But anyway, let's get into it. So this video is about dealing with partners that have selective memory. So this can apply to both genders, right? But the thing is, um, this is mostly for men dealing with women, all right? Because that's usually what happens. Men are the logical, we're the planners, we're the ones that think about how things should go, right? And then women, they can hear something that the men say and forget it. Or it could be something that irks them and they'll have the best memory, right? They'll remember it for years. But if it's something that they choose not to, just selective memory, they are notorious for that. And I'm going to tell you what is the solution for that. But before I tell you, this might be a short video. Before I tell you, shout out to Aaron Clary. Got the idea from him, listening to his podcast. Yeah, that dude is on point. I was like, this is a bit extreme. A lot of Aaron's points are extreme, to be honest. The whole marriage thing, right? It didn't make sense to me at first. I was like, but then I'm like, yo, no, like, it is outdated. What are we doing? Yeah. I mean, I'm still willing to get married, but under the right conditions. But so yeah, we talked about that already. I might go over it in the future again. So yeah, so he said, I can't quote him verbatim, but he said, just take some time with your partner and just record a video, right? Record a video, have a conversation, save it, right? Put it somewhere where it's easily accessible, and you can show it to her every Christmas or every holiday or whenever things might need that, like, hey, remember this video, you agreed, that's you up there, you're the one that agreed to this, right? And yeah, the thing is, it's like, it seems cruel. Like, it seems a bit unauthentic. It seems a bit like blackmailish. But the truth is, you're not doing it because you want to. You like torture your partner or whatever. You're doing it as defense, right? Proof for in case authorities get involved, and also just for your own sanity, right? For your own, like, man, like she's bringing this up again, like, or he's bringing that up again, or whatever, or they forgot this, or if they just some information that's really crucial that's just not sticking with them, and it becomes like a deal breaker, right? But why make it a deal breaker when you can just get the video, and then it's literally just the y'all two. Y'all were the ones who recorded it. So, of course, it's going to keep going back to that moment where you agreed. And yeah, no, it's honestly, I've done it. Okay, I've done it. And it's like, oh, it's like, it's like, it's like, it's heaven, man. It's heaven for the mental, for your consciousness. Because then it's like, I don't really have to, I don't have to constantly reiterate myself. It's right here. I don't even have to. Yeah, it seems a bit cruel, but honestly, it's you only got yourself to really look after, right? If you aren't the best for yourself, you can't be the best for anyone else. And people will try to test you. People will try to manipulate you. People will try to use your words against you. That's happened to me so many times. And the only solution, just whip out that phone when you guys are in good terms, right? You don't want to do it when she's heated or he's heated, and y'all are in your feelings and in the moment. Like, this needs to be a very neutral, just very calm kind of environment. And then if they respect you enough, right? It's like getting a prenup. That's all it is. Without the paperwork, it's like that's all it is. But the thing is, it's your word, right? It's not something that can be broken down, and like it's just your word and her word, vice versa. But hopefully I was able to explain that to the, the best amount of clarity that you guys can understand. And yeah, that's really it. That's how you deal with a partner that has selective memory. You guys need a consultation, link in bio or the description. And if you agree with everything I said or disagree with anything, leave it in the comments. Like, subscribe, share. Peace.